In this video, we're diving into how to quickly scan a new PC for malware using TotalAV. Did you just buy or build a brand new computer and wonder if it's safe right out of the box? Or maybe you've inherited a used machine and you want to ensure that it doesn't come with any unwanted surprises. What's going on, everyone? My name is Eric Hunsaker, and on this channel we cut through the fluff to help you stay secure online. Today's goal is to show you the fastest way to perform a malware scan with TotalAV, interpret the results, and set up future protection so your new PC stays clean. Don't assume a new PC is safe. Now, you might think a brand new laptop is pristine, but malware can slip onto machines through pre-installed software, bundled trial apps, or even during initial setup if you connect to a compromised network. Used computers can come with hidden threats from previous owners. Have you ever seen strange pop-ups on a new device or found toolbars that you never installed? Let's make sure that that doesn't happen to you. Why scanning is important on a new PC. When you first power on a new computer, it may include pre-installed trialware or so-called bloatware. Some of these programs can slow down your PC or collect data, outdated drivers, or software that could have vulnerabilities. Hidden malware if the supply chain was compromised or the device was used before. Now, though rare, there have been cases of malware on devices straight from the factory. Running a scan right away gives you peace of mind. It also establishes a baseline, so you know what's on your system from day one. TotalAV's scanning tools make this process straightforward. Installing TotalAV on your new PC. Step 1, download the software. Go ahead and click the link down below in the description to get started with TotalAV. At the time of recording, they're currently having a sale where you can save $80 off their award-winning antivirus. So again, if you want to get started with that, go ahead and click the link down below in the description. Now, you want to make sure to click the link down below and avoid third-party download sites. They might bundle malware with the installer. Click on the download button for Windows or Mac, depending on your system. Save the installer to your downloads folder. Once the download finishes, run the installer. If you see a prompt asking for permission to make changes to your device, then click yes. Step 2, install and activate. Follow the installation wizard. It'll ask you to accept the end user license agreement and choose an installation location. The default settings are fine for most users. Create a TotalAV account or log in if you already have one. Now, even though TotalAV offers free scans, activating an account ensures you can access full features like real-time protection and scheduled scans. When prompted, choose whether to start a smart scan right away. You can skip it and follow along with this guide or let it run to get a baseline. Understanding TotalAV's scan options. TotalAV provides several types of scans, each suited for different needs. Knowing which one to use helps you scan efficiently without waiting for hours. Quick scan purpose. This checks the most common areas where malware hides, like temporary files and systems folders. The duration usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes, and it's ideal for PC owners who just want a rapid assessment or regular users who want a quick check between full scans. System scan or full scan. Purpose. This performs a deep scan of your entire hard drive, including all files, programs, and memory. The duration can take an hour or more depending on your storage size and speed. This is ideal for periodic thorough checks, especially after installing new software or if you suspect an infection. Smart scan purpose. This combines a malware scan with a system tune-up. It looks for junk files, duplicate files, and other performance issues while checking for threats. The duration, it varies. It's usually longer than a quick scan, but shorter than a full system scan. It's ideal for users who want to improve performance and security in one go. Scheduled scans. The purpose of these is that it automates scanning at intervals that you can choose, such as daily, weekly, or even monthly. Duration. This depends on the type of scan scheduled. Ideal for maintaining ongoing protection without manual effort. Performing a quick scan. All right, so when your goal is to quickly ensure that a new PC is malware free, just start with a quick scan. This covers common hiding spots without spending hours scanning every single file. Just open up the TotalAV app. You'll land on the dashboard with options like malware scan, system tune-up, and web protection. Navigate to the malware scan. Click the TotalAV logo or the malware scan tab. Select quick scan. You'll see a drop-down arrow next to run scan. Click it and choose quick scan from the options. Run the scan. The scan will begin. You can watch the progress or minimize the window. TotalAV shows which files are being scanned and how much time remains. Review results. Once complete, TotalAV lists any threats found. If malware is detected, the app quarantines it automatically. Click quarantine to review and remove these files permanently. Restart if prompted. Some threats require a system restart to complete removal. Follow the prompts to ensure everything is cleaned up. Performing a system scan for peace of mind. If you want a more thorough check, or if the quick scan found something suspicious, then run a system scan. Access malware scan. As before, go to the malware scan section. Choose system scan. In the drop-down, select system scan, sometimes labeled full scan. Start the scan. This process may take a while, especially on PCs with large hard drives. Let it run uninterrupted to ensure that every file is checked. Analyze the findings. When the scan finishes, review the report. TotalAV will categorize threats by severity and recommend actions. You can choose to quarantine or remove infections. Follow up. After a full scan, consider changing any passwords used on the device if malware was discovered. Malware like keyloggers can capture sensitive data. Using SmartScan for performance and security. TotalAV's SmartScan is a convenient way to combine security and system optimization. So open up the app. On the dashboard, click SmartScan or Optimize. The name may vary by version. Start the scan. The scan checks for malware, tracking, cookies, unnecessary startup programs, duplicate files, and junk files. It may also analyze browser extensions. Review the results. The results screen separates findings into categories: security, privacy, performance, and disk space. For each category, you can view the details and decide whether to remove or fix issues. Cleanup. Select which items to delete. For example, removing tracking cookies improves privacy, while deleting duplicates frees disk space. If malware is found, it's handled just like in other scans. Scheduled future smart scans. If you like this combined approach, then set up a recurring smart scan in the scheduler. Customizing and scheduling scans. Why schedule scans? Life gets busy. It's easy to forget to run regular scans. Scheduling ensures that your PC stays protected without manual effort. Scheduled scans can run in the background at times you choose, such as overnight or during lunch breaks. Setting up a scheduled scan. Open Settings. In TotalAV, click the gear icon or navigate to Scan Schedule under the Antivirus or Settings tab. Add a new schedule. Click Add Scan Schedule. Choose the type of scan, quick system or smart. Select frequency. Decide whether you want the scan to run daily, weekly, or monthly. For a new PC, a weekly quick scan and monthly system scan are good practices. Choose time. Pick a time when your computer is usually on, but not in heavy use, such as early morning or late evening. Save. Confirm and save your schedule. TotalAV will run the scans automatically. You can edit or delete schedules at any time. Interpreting scan results. After any scan, TotalAV provides a report. Understanding the categories helps you decide what to do next. Low-risk items may include tracking cookies or potentially unwanted applications. These aren't necessarily harmful, but can compromise privacy or slow down your PC. Removing them is typically safe. Medium-risk items include adware, browser hijackers, or toolbars. These can redirect your searches, display pop-ups, or collect data. Removing them improves your browsing experience. High-risk items are viruses, trojans, ransomware, or keyloggers. They can steal data, encrypt files, or damage your system. So always quarantine or delete these immediately. TotalAV automatically quarantines dangerous files so they can't harm your system. If you're unsure about a file, quarantine it rather than deleting it outright. You can restore it later if necessary. Enhancing real-time protection. Running a one-time scan is important, but continuous protection prevents malware from getting on your PC in the first place. TotalAV offers several real-time features. Real-time protection. This monitors downloads, installations, and file changes. Enable this in settings so threats are blocked as soon as they appear. Web protection. This blocks malicious websites and phishing pages. Turn this on to avoid accidentally visiting dangerous sites. Email shield. This scans attachments and links in emails. If your TotalAV plan includes this, enable it to prevent infections from email attachments. For a new PC, make sure real-time protection is toggled on. It works quietly in the background without slowing down your system. Handling detections. What to do if malware is found, even with a brand new PC? A scan might discover something. Here's what to do. First things first, stay calm. Detection means the antivirus is working as it should. Quarantine the threat. Allow TotalAV to isolate the file so it can't cause harm. Delete if confirmed malicious. Once quarantined, you can permanently remove the file. In most cases, this is the best option. Change passwords. If the malware was a keylogger or credential stealer, change your important passwords. Email, bank, social media, area, etc. from a clean device. Then run another scan. After removal, run a full system scan to ensure nothing else remains. Tips for keeping your new PC clean. Install updates promptly. Both Windows and macOS updates and application patches fix security vulnerabilities. Download software from trusted sources. Avoid third-party download sites or cracked software, which often contain malware. Use a standard user account for daily tasks instead of an administrator account. This limits the ability of malware to install itself. Be cautious with email attachments and links. Phishing emails are a common way that malware spreads. Back up important files. Use cloud storage or an external drive to regularly back up documents. In case of severe infection, you can restore your data. Start clean, stay protected. So scanning your new PC for malware is an essential first step toward long-term security. TotalAV makes it easy with quick scans for rapid checks, system scans for deep analysis, and smart scans for combined optimization and security. By understanding the different types of scans, scheduling regular checks, and enabling real-time protection, you can keep your computer free of threats. We've walked through downloading and installing TotalAV, performing various scans, interpreting results, and setting up ongoing protection. Now remember that maintaining a secure PC is an ongoing process. Regular updates, safe browsing habits, and proactive scanning will keep you one step ahead of threats. So if you want to get started with TotalAV, we've got that link for you down in the description below. This is an affiliate link, which means we earn a small commission when you use it at no extra cost to you. And these commissions really help support the channel and allow us to continue to create free content just like this. So if you end up using them, we thank you so much in advance. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss another video. Here on the channel, we cover everything from VPNs and cybersecurity to how to stay safe online and detailed product comparisons. So be sure to subscribe. But other than that, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you here in the next video.